Welcome to our channel Green Living, where we explore natural ways to improve our health and well-being. Today, we're discussing 8 unique fruits to help unclog your colon quickly. Incorporating fruits into your diet is essential for maintaining a healthy colon. Fruits are rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, which promote digestive health. A fruit-rich diet can help regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and cleanse the colon of toxins and waste buildup. This video will discuss 8 specific fruits known for their colon cleansing properties. From juicy berries to tropical delights, each of these fruits offers unique benefits that can aid in improving your digestive system and overall well-being. Our goal is to provide you with valuable information that can empower you to make healthier choices for your body. By learning about these unique fruits and incorporating them into your diet, you can experience improved digestion, increased energy levels, and better overall health. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the incredible benefits of these 8 fruits for unclogging your colon and promoting a healthier gut. Let's dive in. Fiber-rich powerhouses. When cleansing the colon, incorporating fruits high in fiber is vital in promoting healthy digestion and unclogging the colon. Fruits such as apples, pears, and raspberries are known for their exceptional fiber content, making them powerful allies in maintaining a healthy gut. Fiber plays a crucial role in digestive health by adding bulk to stool, promoting regular bowel movements, and preventing constipation. Soluble fiber, found in fruits like apples and pears, forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract that helps soften stool and ease its passage through the colon. On the other hand, insoluble fiber, abundant in raspberries, adds bulk to stool and speeds up its transit time through the digestive system, aiding in waste elimination. Get creative with your culinary creations to incorporate these fiber-rich fruits into your daily meals. Start your day with a hearty bowl of oatmeal topped with sliced apples or pears for a fiber-packed breakfast. Blend raspberries into smoothies or yogurt for a delicious and nutritious snack. You can add these fruits to salads and oatmeal, or even bake them into healthy desserts for a sweet treat that supports your digestive health. By including these fiber-rich powerhouses in your diet, you can support your colon health, improve digestion, and enjoy the many benefits of the fruit-rich diet. Stay tuned as we delve into more fruits that can unclog your colon and promote a healthier gut. Hydration heroes. In our quest for a healthy colon, we must include fruits with a high water content, supporting hydration and overall digestive health. Fruits such as watermelon, cucumbers, and oranges are hydrating heroes that can keep our colon happy and functioning optimally. Watermelon, with its juicy flesh, is over 90% water, making it a refreshing and hydrating fruit choice. Cucumbers are another hydrating powerhouse of about 95% water, which can help keep your body hydrated and aid digestion. Oranges, known for their citrusy sweetness, also boast a high water content, providing essential hydration for your colon. Hydration is crucial for maintaining a healthy colon. Water helps soften stool, making it easier to pass through the digestive system. Proper hydration also supports the colon's mucus lining, aiding in the smooth movement of waste and toxins out of the body. Try incorporating these hydrating fruits into your daily routine to increase your fruit-based hydration. Enjoy a refreshing watermelon and cucumber salad drizzled with a zesty orange vinaigrette for a hydrating and delicious meal. Blend watermelon and oranges into a hydrating smoothie, or infuse water with cucumber slices and orange wedges for a flavorful and hydrating beverage. By including these hydration heroes in your diet, you can support your colon health, stay hydrated, and enjoy the refreshing benefits of these hydrating fruits. Stay tuned for more tips on how to keep your colon healthy and happy with the power of fruits. Antioxidant-rich options. When detoxifying your colon and promoting gut health, incorporate fruits packed with antioxidants. Fruits such as blueberries, cherries, and kiwis are bursting with antioxidant benefits that can aid in reducing inflammation, supporting digestion, and promoting overall colon health. Blueberries are known for their high levels of antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the gut and support a healthy colon. Cherries are rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, which have been shown to promote gut health by protecting against oxidative stress and inflammation. Kiwis, packed with vitamin C and other antioxidants, can also aid in detoxifying the colon and supporting digestive function. Antioxidants play a crucial role in reducing inflammation in the gut, which can contribute to various digestive issues, including bloating, gas, and discomfort. Incorporating antioxidant-rich fruits into your diet can help combat oxidative stress, support gut health, and promote overall well-being. For optimal colon cleansing, Consider combining antioxidant-rich fruits in delicious and nutritious ways. Create a colorful fruit salad with blueberries, cherries, and kiwis for a powerful antioxidant boost. Blend these fruits into a refreshing smoothie or incorporate them into a homemade fruit salsa to enjoy a flavorful and antioxidant-packed snack. Including these antioxidant-rich options in your diet can support your colon detoxification efforts, reduce inflammation, and promote a healthy gut. Stay tuned for more tips on enhancing your colon health with the antioxidant power of fruits. Enzyme-powered cleansers. For a natural and effective way to detoxify your colon, look no further than fruits containing powerful enzymes that aid digestion and waste breakdown. Fruits like pineapple, papaya, and mango are rich in enzymes that support colon detox and promote overall digestive health. Pineapple is renowned for its enzyme bromelain, which helps break down proteins in the digestive system, aiding digestion and reducing inflammation. Papaya contains the enzyme papain, which can assist in breaking down carbohydrates and proteins, supporting optimal digestion and colon health. With its enzyme content, mango can aid digestion and help cleanse the colon by breaking down food particles and promoting regular bowel movements. Enzymes play a vital role in digestion by breaking down food into smaller, more readily absorbable components. In the colon, enzymes can help break down waste and promote the elimination of toxins, ensuring a healthy and efficient digestive process. To maximize the cleansing effects of enzyme-powered fruits, consider consuming them in their raw form or incorporating them into smoothies or salads. Enjoy a tropical fruit salad with a mix of pineapple, papaya, and mango for a delicious and enzyme-rich snack. Blend these fruits into a digestive-boosting smoothie, or add them to yogurt for a nutritious and cleansing breakfast. Stay tuned for more tips on harnessing the cleansing power of fruits for a healthier colon. Probiotic superstars. Incorporating fruits rich in probiotics can be a game-changer in promoting a healthy gut and colon balance. Fruits such as bananas, kiwis, and strawberries are considered probiotic superstars, offering beneficial bacteria that can support gut health and promote a balanced microbiome. Bananas are a great source of prebiotics, which feed probiotics and help them thrive in the gut. Kiwis contain actinidine, an enzyme that can aid digestion and support the growth of beneficial bacteria in the colon. Strawberries are rich in fiber and antioxidants, which can help nourish the gut microbiota and promote a healthy colon environment. Probiotics play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy gut and colon by balancing the microbiome, supporting digestion, and enhancing immune function. To incorporate probiotic fruits into your daily diet, consider adding sliced bananas to yogurt or oatmeal for a gut-friendly breakfast. Enjoy kiwis as a snack, or blend them into a smoothie for a refreshing probiotic boost. Mix strawberries into salads or desserts to add a probiotic punch to your meals. Stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your gut health with the probiotic power of fruits. Detoxifying citrus varieties. Citrus fruits are renowned for their cleansing properties and ability to support colon detoxification. Fruits such as lemons, grapefruits, and oranges are packed with detoxifying benefits that can aid in flushing out toxins, promoting digestion, and rejuvenating the colon. Lemons are a powerhouse of vitamin C and citric acid, which can help stimulate digestive enzymes, support liver function, and eliminate waste from the colon. Grapefruits contain antioxidants and fiber that can help cleanse the colon, regulate bowel movements, and promote overall gut health. Oranges are rich in fiber, vitamin C, and flavonoids, aiding detoxification, reducing inflammation, and supporting a healthy colon. Citrus fruits play a vital role in cleansing the colon by promoting hydration, aiding digestion, and supporting the removal of toxins from the body. The natural acids and enzymes found in citrus fruits can help break down food particles, improve nutrient absorption, and enhance the body's detoxification processes. To incorporate these detoxifying citrus varieties into your routine, start your day with a warm glass of lemon water to kickstart digestion and cleanse the colon. Enjoy a refreshing grapefruit salad or orange smoothie as a midday snack to boost your detox efforts. By including detoxifying citrus varieties in your diet, you can support colon health, aid in detoxification, and enjoy the refreshing benefits of these citrus superstars. Stay tuned for more tips on how to detoxify your colon naturally with the power of fruits. We also delved into antioxidant-rich options like blueberries, cherries, and kiwis, and enzyme-powered cleansers like pineapple, papaya, and mango. Incorporating these fruits into your diet can provide many benefits, including improved digestion, colon detoxification, enhanced gut health, and overall well-being. A balanced fruit-rich diet is essential for maintaining a healthy colon and supporting optimal digestive function. We encourage you to take action and incorporate these colon-cleansing fruits into your daily meals. Try out different recipes, smoothies, salads, and snacks featuring these fruits to experience their cleansing and revitalizing effects. Share this video with others who can benefit from learning about the power of fruits for colon health. Remember, a healthy colon is vital to overall wellness, so make fruits a staple in your diet and enjoy the numerous benefits they offer for a happy and thriving digestive system. Thank you for watching, and here's to a healthier you.